Members, you are welcome. This is the woodworking department. Nyanzi Richard is my name. I'm in the field of carpentry, stroke woodworking. I'll start with one skill, a skill of developing or making what we call a dowel. A dowel is a wooden rounded piece which is used basically in woodwork in the replacement of nails. Fixing wood with nails is an ancient activity. So I'm here, I'm having my square piece. If you can look at it, it's a square piece, maybe 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. It is in the length of 350, but I can always reduce to a size which is moldable. How am I going to mold it? I will not use a chisel like this to mold it. Yes, I know it can be done. I will not use the spoke shelf. I know it can do so, but we want to make it more modern by introducing in another component, which is a piece like this. It's a dowel or dowel template. It has got various sizes of holes, which means the rounding of your piece is dependent on the size you are going to use or fix at a given area. If you want a dowel rounded piece to be 12, you must exceed in 1 millimeter, that matter. For today's sake, we are going to use 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter square piece. To fix this near a hole, when you look at here, we have holes for extraction. So I'll get my 10 millimeter round hole, place it direct in the hole nearby on my table, and then I'll get this saw. It's called a Japanese saw. It's one of the precise and accurate and sharp tool, which is not even on Ugandan market. Now, once you need it, you have to go for it or order for it from abroad, from Japan direct. Members, you should be having this on board, but this is, like I said, I talked about technology. This is, you can see the formulation, the shapes of this saw and this one. This saw, when you are applying it, you use back and forth stroke to cut something. But with this saw, the teeth are arranged that you need to cut. You should be pulling more on your side, on the chest side, than pushing it. We have this component or instrument. Is a very crucial to use. It's called a bench hook. Its work is to hook for you to be able to hold this piece, small piece, over here, whereby you now are able to cut with ease. And it helps us again not to damage the table top. So I cut starting from the front, then I pull. Then I introduce in another tool which is called a mallet. This is a wooden hammer to drive the piece through the plate. So here we are. This is my short piece cut from a longer one. Then, like I said, it is 1 centimeter square, which means I will follow the size, which is 10 centimeters, 10 millimeters diameter. Is where I will have to align it. Then the other action will be I myself to hold this piece in position firmly. Then I use the wooden mallet to drive.